Next, let's look at a new tool that is very fun to work with when you're designing, and that's called the paint bucket. Now it really is a materials bucket. So if you look at it, there are of course simple colors, every color you can think of actually, and if you go to edit, there's a color wheel you can adjust when you have a color selected. This is a paint sampler, so if you sample something from one spot it can go to another. So with the paint bucket I could go to this shape and simply start coloring. If I select the whole shape, then when I paint it would color every surface. That's just of course very basic. What you would probably want to do is choose materials that fit. So here we have roofing. Of course I don't want to do the whole thing. So if I choose just part of it and I go to my roofing, it actually aligns with the angle of the roof automatically. If I wanted to do siding, of course it's called brick and cladding. Could add some brick on some surfaces. It's kind of in the way here. And so there's really almost no limit. Now let me just show you a couple more and then I'll finish up off camera here. So if I want to use this, and let's say I want to make this a metal storage shed or something, for those windows I choose translucent, and if you choose the right ones they actually are see-through. You can see through to the other side. You can see the corners there, which is kind of very helpful. There's also water, wood, vegetation would be grass, things like that, tile, stone, ground cover would be like stone, wood chips. Fencing, a lot of the fencing is actually see-through as well, so if you choose that it would make it see-through. Brick, cladding, metal, roofing, carpets, you kind of want to try them out to make it do what you want. So I'm going to color this and let you color yours. Okay, so I colored the little cottages so that they look cute and matching for the little elves that are going to live there. Now one thing I didn't point out before is the color select tool, or the sampling tool, is very helpful when you're doing this. For instance, if I don't want to go figure out where the cladding is, I can sample it and then it turns into a paint bucket that I can immediately use this. So if I sample this and then I click, it'll repaint with that. So the sampling tool is very helpful when you're switching back and forth between materials, because you don't have to go find it in the palette, you can just find it on the model that you're using.